Bistro lights deliver warmth and ambiance to any backyard or patio. And with the National Hardware Installation Kit, it takes just a few easy steps to light up your outdoor setting. Here's what comes in the kit. This hardware is compatible with virtually any string of lights you want to hang up. Here's what you'll need to install the lights. Plan your design and lay out the lights accordingly to make sure you have enough to complete the look. Identify mounting points and drill pilot holes for mounting hardware. Secure mounting hardware. Prepare the cable for a main mounting point by threading the cable through a turnbuckle and securing with 2 cable clamps. Attach the turnbuckle to a main mounting point. Thread the cable through the snap hook and attach to secondary mounting point. Repeat steps 8 through 9 for the remaining main mounting point. Trim the cable and tighten the turnbuckle as needed. Attach lights to cable with provided zip ties. With an install this easy, imagine what other designs are possible. National Hardware Project Kits have everything you need to tackle bistro light installation.